This is the newest strategy that will help you get to your monetization as fast as possible and will help you make a lot of money from YouTube. I implemented this on one of my videos and I was like, wow, this actually works like magic. See, guys, you all know that before I bring a strategy right here, I have implemented it. I have also told others to try it out to see if it works. And this one works like magic. And it's in your YouTube studio. A lot of you have no idea that it's there. That's why it's very important as a creator to take time to go to YouTube studio and analyze everything that is there so that you don't miss out. That is what we are failing on. So in today's video, I'm going to show you this newest trick that if you implement in your videos and on your channel, my darlings, in the next 4 weeks, you will definitely get your monetization without stress. And also you would start making enough revenue on your YouTube channel. Now, if you are new on this channel, please do not forget to click on the subscribe. You click on that like, and then you click on the notification bell so you will not miss out on any of our strategies. And if you want to grow and grow fast, go to the comment section and connect with every small YouTuber that you see right there. Every content creator that you see right there, when you connect with them, they're going to do the same for you. And this is how we connect in this community. When you go to their channel, watch at least 3 of their videos till the end. Remember, till the end. Drop a comment that is related to that video you're watching, and also click on the like and you subscribe. So watch 3 videos till the end. You subscribe, you like, and you comment. When you do that, they will do the same for you. When you're done on this video, connecting with them on this video, go to other videos, watch and connect with them. They are there waiting for you. And we also have community, our channel on WhatsApp, on Telegram, and on Instagram. The links are right there on the comment section. Go there and connect massively with every content creator, because all of them that you see right there, they are aggressive to grow, they are hungry to grow, and they want to get to their monetization as fast as in the next 4 weeks. And they also want to start making at least $500 every month, because that is our target in this community. That being said, let me show you what you can do on your YouTube studio that will change your perspective about YouTube. Now, you can do this using your smartphone, and you can also do this using your laptop. But for this illustration today, I'm going to be using this phone, right? Because I know most of you that are just starting out content creation, all you have is your smartphone and your internet connection to start creating. So I'm going to use the smartphone. Now, this is actually done on your YouTube studio. You don't need to use the Chrome version of the studio. You can just go to YouTube Studio app and you can implement this. Now, I'm going to pop up the screen, whether here or here. It depends on how I'll be editing, all right? So right below here, you're going to see your dashboard, content, analytics, community, and earn. I'm going to make videos on how you can use all this. It's very important as a content creator to explore everything that YouTube gives you right here on your YouTube studio. Now, click on analytics. I'm already on analytics right here. And what you have to do is to come right here to top search. You're going to see different topics that YouTube is recommending to you. Now, if you click right here on the arrow right here, it's going to bring out different topics, as you can see. Before we go ahead with this, for those of you that have been sending me text messages, emails, that you don't know how to create your topic, sometimes your highest problem is, what do I actually create? Do I copy somebody's video, repurpose it, and post it? Yes, all that works. But this is the perfect way, because YouTube has already analyzed your channel and is telling you what your audience are looking for. What YouTube is recommending to me right here is what my audience want. That is why it's always good to work with one niche. For those of you who have like you're doing like 5 different niches in one channel, you will always have a problem at this particular position where YouTube has to recommend topics to you, because YouTube doesn't really know what audience you have. But for those of you who have a particular niche, this particular channel, I talk about how to make money online. I mean, different ways you can make money. Now, let's go through the topics YouTube is recommending to me, and you would see that it actually works with my channel or with my niche. Now, let me click right here on search. The first topic we see right here is online work from home jobs, how to earn money online for students in 2025, make money with affiliate marketing, investing for beginners, how I make millions. What is digital affiliate marketing? They go below, laziest way to make money online, build wealth with this proven side hustle tips. Now, if you go through all this, some of you, if you want, you can pause and read through. You would see that it is exactly my niche. Now, what do you do when YouTube has recommended you to this? Pick any topic that you're comfortable with. You can go to ChatGPT. I've told you people how you can use ChatGPT for ChatGPT to create a script for you. So you can pick the topic, go to ChatGPT, make a script, you record your video, edit, and post it. See, YouTube is not lying to you. YouTube is giving you exactly what your audience are looking for. Now, if your niche is on how to grow on YouTube, you would see something else there. Now, I have another channel. This channel I'm posting this video on. We are talking on how to grow. Let's go to that channel and see what YouTube recommends for us. So here we are. I've already gone directly to analytics, right? Over here, we have trends. You just click on trends, just like so. And you click right here on top search. And these are the topics that YouTube is recommending for this channel that I'm posting this video. The first channel we checked on was another channel I talk about how you can make money online. Now we have right here how to increase subscribers on YouTube channel. Help us improve YouTube analytics. Help improve YouTube for creators. YouTube algorithm for new creators. Remember what we talk about on this channel. We're talking about strategies that you can actually grow your channel. And this is exactly what YouTube is recommending for us on this channel. So as you can see, because my channel is specific, my niche is specific, YouTube now knows exactly what my audience are looking for and is proposing topics that will actually trend. So please, whatever you do as a content creator, come right here to analytics. If you're using your laptop, just go to your YouTube studio, then you go to content and you're going to see trend right there. You click on trend and it's going to bring out the different topics that are trending in your niche. If you're talking about music, they will tell you the topics, the music topics that are trending. If you're talking about philosophy, it's going to show you that the topics that are trending in your niche, and make sure you pick any of those topics and you work on. So this is what I want you guys to do for me. Before you start creating a content on your channel, or from today after watching this video, before you start creating a content, make sure you go to your YouTube studio, go to trend, and then you pick any topic there, you create that script, and then you record about it. When you do that and post on your channel, let me know how it turns out for you, because YouTube is actually recommending what your audience are looking for. So this is a perfect way for you to actually grow your audience on YouTube. Besides you going to get other trending topics on your niche from other content creators on your niche, this one works better than that one. I'm not saying you should not use the other strategy. You can use the other strategy. You go to other content creators in your niche, see what they have done, what has worked for them at that time, and then you implement it too, and you can do this too. I mean, guys, I implemented this and I was like, so this is what I've been missing, and this is what my students have been missing. My God, please guys, go and implement this and let me know how it turns out for you. Thank you all so very much for your subscription, for always being in this community. And don't forget, we have collaborative live streams every 5 p.m. so that we can all grow together. Some of you have been part of the collaborative live stream, some of you have not been. So after watching this video, join us every 5 p.m. We are doing this aggressively for 2 weeks so that you can see a drastic change with the amount of views you get on your channel. And please, when you're done with this video, go to other strategies on this channel, watch and implement, and make sure you connect with every content creator you see, so that all the strategies put together will help you grow faster than you ever imagined. I love you all, and until next time, keep creating, keep searching, and never ever give up on your YouTube channel. I'm right here to support you. You can send me an email, you can comment on the comment section, you can go to any of our channels, and then I will be right there to respond to you. Love you. Bye-bye.